going to do that. You need to come out of that.
Well, she's not here right now, though.
You need to step outside right now. I am giving you a legal and lawful command. If you do not obey that command, I'm going to take you to jail and I'm going to charge you with.
November 6th, 2024. A welfare check for 68-year-old Monique Gilbertson. Officers find Daniel Rouge inside. He claims he's house sitting, but Monique's car is outside. Her dogs won't stop barking. The front office knows nothing about him. Monique never leaves her dogs. Something's wrong. Inside, filth, drug paraphernalia, a lingering smell. Then, an unplugged chest freezer. Locked.
Oh,
Monique's body, stuffed inside, frozen. Autopsy reveals the truth. 200 times the lethal dose of fentanyl. Prosecutors say Rouge drugged her to steal her home. Now he faces life in prison.